sa pan guys. Siargao Pilar guys. Ayan ang mga kaway guys.
Yes sir. Kaya sa dulo po isa, small organic gold spring po. Ito yung madadaanan pa siya, Amazon River po. Pagbalik pwede sila tumalong, maligo makakita po dito sa
This is the boat guys, rent guys, Masin Rentek River. Nice guys, nice ang view guys. Boating guys, okay guys, just relax and enjoy guys.
I want to go further.
Nice view guys. Masin River Litik pa. Yan sila guys, mga guys, mga tourists. Enjoy guys, magbangka guys. Rihara sa look guys, ay kanipaan guys. Guys, magparin mo guys. Yes kayo guys, Siargao Island guys. Dito tayo sa Litik Masin River guys. Okay guys, nice guys. Ito yung makadaan guys.
Uy,
Hoy,
naglantar ba?
oo.
Ha? Ama kasunod?
Masin River, magpupungko. Straight ano? Nice.
Oh, makariya haman.
Ato ilang tour lagi guys. May mga bisita guys. Gikan sa gawas guys. Chinese. Tagalog guys. Ato gikuan guys. Lantor guys.
Perfect timing for us. Very busy.
The weather is good guys. No rainy guys.
Very, very cold.
Nice guys. Just relax and enjoy this. Thank you for watching guys. I love you all.